Welcome to Let's Talk About It with Ryan. On this episode today, we're going to talk about cleaning products. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products here. And I'm going to show them all. Something a little bit different today. The original episode I was going to do, I'll do that when I'm on vacation. It was supposed to be the 70s, but I didn't get a chance to get that one ready. I've been too busy this week. So we're going to do this one, and then hopefully next week I'll come out with the Back to the 70s episode. I'll show everything on the products. Starting with the first one here. It's the soft soap antibacterial estimate 99.9% of bacteria. Enhanced with moisturizers, carbon free, crisp clean, hand soap, 11.25 fluid ounces, 322 milligrams. Here's the back of it. The drug facts, if you can read it. Hopefully it focuses. Good for the earth, plus body. Clean, Curtis scent. Paraben free and formulated with Palisade. Dermatologist tested. It's a Colgate Palms of Oil products. It's recyclable because it's a plastic bottle. The barcode, the smart label, save water, and then there's the product code right there if you're interested in that. Soft soap has been around since the 60s. The next product is Formula 409. 99 kills 99% of germs, including COVID-19 virus. Removes 100% of grease and grime. 32 fluid ounces, 1 quart, 946 milligrams. Other ingredients total 100%. Active ingredients. Keep out of reach of children. Lemon fresh. That's the front part of that bottle. Flip it around here. Directions on how to use it. Keep out of reach of children. Formula 409 multi-surface cleaner. Keep it on the screen so you can read it. And I'm holding on to the phone today, that's why it's a little jerky. Here's the storage and disposable. The caution. Empty and discard sprayer. This plastic bottle is recyclable. The barcode. The factory number 01222227 IN/2. .409 been around since the 50s. Next product. Uh, Scrub and Bubble Bathroom Grind Fighter. Removes 100% of scrub scum, foaming action, Curtis. Keep out of reach of children. 32 fluorine ounces, 1 quart, 946 milligrams. S.C. Johnson, a family company. They've been around since the 1800s. The Scrub and Bubbles company's been around since the 50s, maybe earlier. Here's all the instruction. If you want to read it, I'll keep it on the screen. Directions for usage. The barcode. And the family company's been around since 1886. The next one here is the Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scrub Sponge. 3 times stronger and longer lasting. Safe on pots and pans. 4.4 inch times 2.6 inch times 0.7 inch. 111 millimeter times 66 millimeter times 17 millimeters. Here's the QR code. How to use it and what to use it for. Here is the back of it, 100% recycled plastic. Bring it up closer so you can read it. Plastic wrap is not recyclable. And here's the barcode. Scotch-Brite has been around since the 30s, I would imagine. This brand for sure has been around for at least 70 years, so at least the 50s. Dawn Ultra removes grease on contact. Time to refill. So this is probably a refilled bottle. Dishwasher liquid. Also wash your dishes by hand. This thing is 910 milligrams. 1.92 pint. 30.8 fluorine ounces. Here's the back of it if you want to read it. Part of Procter and Gamble. Keep out of reach of children. Ingredients, it's got water. I'm not reading it all. You guys can read it if you want. It's recyclable. And here's the barcode. The next item is SC Johnson Windex Original Unbeatable Strict Free Shine 23 4 ounces, 1 pint 7 ounces, 680 milligrams. There's really nothing on this, but if you can actually read it on the back here, I'll keep it on the screen. This thing is recyclable. Keep out of reach of children. Shine guaranteed. Clean and shine glass. Here's the barcode. And last but not least, it's the 115th anniversary of Comet with 50% more cleaning power with bleach. Remove tough stains, scratch free. Keep out of reach of children. And eye and skin irritate. Net weight 1.31 pounds, 21 ounces, 595 grams. Here's the side of the thing. I don't know if you can read it, but if you can, good luck. This thing is not recyclable, and here's the barcode. So those are your 7 products. I am filming this in my kitchen. So the soft soap is hand wash for washing your hand. Formula 409 is for dishes, pots and pans. It's a scrub-free surface item. Scrub and Bubbles is for your bathroom. Dawn is for dishes. Windex is for windows. And Comet is for like sinks and bathtubs and toilets. And you got the Scotch-Brite sponges. They are for scrubbing dishes, countertops, and among other things. I hope you liked today's video. I'd like to talk about it. Sorry, it's a little bit on the short side today. My connection's not doing what it's supposed to do. I'm hoping this video comes out. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification to all. That way you're updated with all my content. Next week, I will try to get out the Back to the 70s video. Sorry I didn't do it this week. Hopefully I can get it done next week. Again, I hope you guys liked today's video. Let's talk about it. And I hope you guys have a good day. And I will see you next week. Have a good day.